What are you doing? What did you get into now? Did you find a napkin? Did you find a napkin and you were ripping it apart? You were bad boy. Bad boy. What's all this paper here? What's all this paper? What's all this paper? I know. Come on. You can't be eating paper. Tanner, you can't be eating paper. Do you hear me? Tanner. No paper. Why were you eating paper? Why? You know you're not supposed to eat paper. What are you gonna do now? You gonna think about it? You gonna think about the paper that you're eating? I know. No, don't try to eat it. Oh boy. Oh boy. I don't understand why you like to eat napkins.